also praised Pakistan for taking a strong stance against Zionist forces. He said, "I praise the Pakistani people and government for the stance taken with us in a strong manner against Zionist forces." Iranian President Ebrahim Raisi was in Pakistan on a 3-day trip to discuss regional and bilateral relations. The trip was just days after Iran and Israel carried out attacks against each other, risking the Gaza war to expand into a regional conflict. Raisi held talks with top Pakistani leadership, including Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif, as the two neighbors sought to mend ties after tit-for-tat missile attacks in January.
تشکر بکنم از نخست وزیر محترم و دولت محترم پاکستان برای میزبانی از هیئت جمهوری اسلامی ایران و ابراز خرسندی بکنم از اینکه امروز ما در شهر زیبای اسلام آباد هستیم و از همین سخنگاه به مردم بسیار خوب و دین مدار پاکستان عرض سلام و ادب و احترام میکنم و به همه خانواده های محترم پاکستانی در جای جای این کشور از طرف رهبری فرزانه انقلاب اسلامی و ملت بزرگ ایران ابلاغ سلام دارم.
Raisi also met General Asim Munir, the head of Pakistan's military, which wields huge political and economic influence in the South Asian nations. Raisi arrived in the capital Islamabad on Monday, April 22nd, as the two neighbors aim to boost economic, border and energy ties. The Islamic Republic of Iran, in line with the neighborhood policy, is interested in promoting relations with Pakistan, and during this trip, various issues including economic and commercial issues, energy and border issues will be discussed with the government of Pakistan. A statement was issued by the Iranian Presidential Office on Monday. In a statement issued on Sunday, Pakistan's Ministry of Foreign Affairs called for improving bilateral ties. The two sides will have a wide-ranging agenda to further strengthen Pakistan-Iran ties and enhance cooperation in diverse fields including trade, connectivity, energy, agriculture, and people-to-people contacts, the statement said. The Iranian president visited major cities including Lahore and Karachi and focused on bilateral and trade ties.
खैर ये अपना अरशद इनको जो हाथ से मोबाइल कर रहा है ना इसको हटा रहा है।
Mr. Raisi said the current level of bilateral trade was unacceptable and desired to see annual trade go up to $10 billion.
با کشور دوست، برادر و همسایمون پاکستان فقط به عنوان دو کشور همسایه مطرح نیستیم. روابط بین دو کشور روابط تاریخی، روابط تمدنی، روابط عمیق اعتقادی و دینی است. امری که ملت بزرگ ایران رو با ملت بزرگ پاکستان به هم پیوند میده اون اعتقادات و باورهاست و این پیوند ناگسستنی است.
After visiting Lahore and Karachi on Tuesday under strict security during his 3-day trip to the country, he said that Tehran is ready to exchange its skills in industry, science and technology with Pakistan. He also praised Pakistan for taking a strong stance against Zionist forces. He said, "I praise the Pakistani people and government for the stance taken with us in a strong manner against Zionist forces." Pakistan also seeks to expand foreign trade to improve its economic position. Regarding the Iran-Pakistan gas pipeline, the matter was obliquely referred to in a Pakistani statement, yet no significant progress has been reported. Mr. Raisi mentioned that some actors did not want to see Pakistan-Iran relations grow. It is not important, he said, effectively disregarding their criticisms.
دو کشور در مبارزه با تروریسم مواضع یکسانی است. هر دو مصممیم برای مبارزه با ناامنی‌ها و تروریسم، مبارزه با جرائم سازمان یافته، مبارزه با مواد مخدر، مبارزه با انواع ناامنی ها که امروز هم دو کشور رو هم منطقه رو تهدید میکنه. نگاه مشترک دو کشوره و در یک کلمه دفاع از حقوق بشر و حقوق انسان محور همکاری دو کشور هست، چه در همکاری های دو جانبه، چه منطقه‌ای و چه بین المللی.
There are a number of common positions and stance between our two countries of Iran and Pakistan when it comes, for instance, to fighting against terrorism. Both countries are determined to fight against terrorism, to fight against organized crime, to fight against narcotics, and to fight against different forms and manifestations of insecurity which endanger our two countries and at the same time the region. We have some common positions, and very briefly I can say that the access of cooperation between our two countries of Iran and Pakistan at bilateral, regional or international level is based on human rights cooperation.
ممکن است برخی همکاری‌های دو کشور رو نپسندند. مهم نیست. مهم آن است که تداوم همکاری بین دو کشور و دو دولت به نمایندگی از ملت‌های بزرگ ایران و پاکستان در جهت منافع دو کشور تعریف میشه.
Iran's strategic thinkers are well aware that Pakistan has both a domestic political crisis and a growing range of economic compulsions that limit the range of movement on Pakistan's engagement in the ongoing conflict in Middle East.